This is our Illipe butter. The Illipe butter is refined, but it still has its great benefits. As you can see, it's about the same texture as the cocoa butter, so it's pretty hard. It will be a great alternative if your products need a little firmness, but not the fragrance of a cocoa butter. It's great for your hair and skin, and it provides a great deal of softness, but there's no oily or greasy feel left behind, so you can use it on your skin. I like to say it kind of has like a dry oil, so you can use it there, but you can see it absorbs into your skin very quickly without leaving an oily residue behind, but giving the skin great softness. And it does the same thing for your hair. It can be used to create a wide variety of personal care products. It's particularly useful for lip balms, pomades, bath bombs, body butters, lotion sticks, and things that need to stay firm due to its high melting point. So it can be out in the sun or be in high temperatures for a little longer than, say, a shea butter or an aloe butter that will melt a little quickly. If you need a butter with firmness and no oily or greasy feel, Illipe butter will be a great choice. And it's also really good for hair products if you're making shampoos or conditioners as well.